do want to say something as a summary and also as a bit of an evaluation of this in terms of what does this mean for the memory decoding challenge. So first of all, summary. This work bridges three key themes. Dynamic hippocampus neocortex interplay, that remote memories aren't static, they're reconstructed upon recall. That neurogenesis is used as a reset mechanism, that it enables cognitive flexibility by silencing outdated engrams, which is still slightly mysterious to me. And then the potential involvement in false memory vulnerability. The price of that memory malleability is a distortion risk. And that shifts the paradigm from reactivation to active reconstruction. It's an interesting detailing that they did of potential evidence and mechanisms for silencing of original engrams as the new ones are created. It's not exactly direct evidence, not showing exactly what that mechanism of silencing is, but it's interesting anyway. The whole process here fits into a model of generating crisp, low interference engrams with context and valence, and the re-engagement of hippocampus as a way to make consolidated memory malleable, updatable, which makes sense given that the hippocampal system and its mechanisms are already available for those purposes during initial learning. And yeah, as we mentioned, these initial engrams have to come from existing paths, so mature cells through coincidental coactivation. But generating fresh engrams can prevent overriding without interlaced training and strengthen the availability of new memories in remote neocortical locations. Now, from the perspective of the memory decoding challenge, I'd say this work definitely fits into the detailed exploration of encoding and decoding mechanisms, given that the focus here is on hippocampus, which is not the location for detailed granular engrams of multimodal information, but rather it's a region that's involved with the manipulation of neocortical memory. It's not a study that reveals the identification or coding of those multimodal neocortical memory engrams themselves. Nevertheless, I think it was a well-conceived and valuable mechanistic study of mammalian memory systems and neural coding. And I am very interested in the decoding and encoding mechanisms. So for me, this is quite interesting, though with some questions open.